And we're back another day. We are almost there. Yesterday we finished off, we had just implemented the time stretch and the proper sorting of patcher cables in the environment. So when it loads up here, so what it was doing is it allowed us to set everything, including a time stretch. Let's do a time stretch here and a frequency shift. And it connect them up appropriately based on what was happening. So looking at this time stretch should actually just be connected to this frequency shift. It shouldn't have, let me see if that was my mistake. No, I've broken it. Yeah, so there's obviously something to do with when we swap assets around, it doesn't properly delete the patching cord that was there before. So I need to consider that when we are developing it. But all tests going smoothly. So yeah, beautiful is probably the word I would use if you asked me to describe it. Little things we need to change. The mixing of the audio probably could be better. So we probably want to use the same thing that we have in the freeze master that allows us to automatically create a matrix and then mix it correctly. But first we want to actually introduce the freeze. So let's have a look at it. We did a pretty good job of cleaning this up when we made it because it was such a complex patch to make. So it comes in, you can push bang and it starts recording all these different things. It makes this matrix down here. Is pretty beautiful. I don't want to. We have a gain coming in to automatically create volume for it. So what are our inputs? We have 1 is our audio signal, 2 is our trigger, 3 is our reset, and then 4 is our volume. Pretty straightforward. Let's save our changes to it. So we have our audio coming in. We've got, in this case, it's a bang for the trigger. Then we have a reset that again was a bang. And then finally we have a slider that goes between some values. What do you go up to? 158. So we need to pass a value between 0 and 158. So we'll probably do a slider. Oh. Slider for the volume. In here we'll do 158 is the range. Nice and simple for this one, and then that connects up respectively. A thing of beauty. Does it actually work in practice? Oh, that is a problem here. Where are these going? So there is an issue in here. Type mess set corrupt object. Something to do with our inlet is broken. Yeah, I'm gonna go and stop that before we go mad. Yeah, so that is an issue because it means it's not bringing in the audio properly. So typed message bang into a corrupt object set corrupt. So let's see if we can work out which one is corrupt in here. Matrix is causing the problem, I think. How strange. Matrix message. Matrix message is no. We've deleted an object, that's why there is a problem. So we need a message called what should it be called? Matrix message. Oh no, is that what that one should be? Very interesting. go and have a look at another reference for it. Time stretch, we want freeze master. View version history. So I'm just going to go back to the one before I saved tonight and screwed up. 15th of April. So let's have a look at that one. Download it. Error calling function reset. Matrix message is no. So there's probably a better way we can do this. If we just in the JavaScript, instead of this, all we need to do is send the matrix a bang. And there you go. I think it might be working. Let's give it some audio. And so let's just save that, reset it, close it. So it's not fixed it. Right, so let's save it. So what is happening? Matrix, let's look at its reference. We want to set So there is audio coming in. There's audio coming out. It's just not mixed properly. So there is confirmation that it is not receiving the correct message. So let's reset it. Let's have a look at, oh, it doesn't understand. Interesting. So we need to send it a block of numbers. Let's strip it back to being super simple. So in here, let's just send it. Then I got audio on the outside as well. Oh right, okay. Are all these errors from this? Yes. Matrix message is a no. Oh, because. I'm just trying to see if there is a better way of doing this. I can't work out why it keeps corrupting. And that's a bad sign. Why does the reset's in a different button, isn't it, Matrix? Wonder what that does to the sound.